Hey, this is Gary Kayye. I'm here in the Sound Options booth at the Almo E4 Experience in Southern California with Rob Ziv. Rob, tell us a little bit about what Sound Options is. What is Almo doing with Sound Options?
All right, so thank you, Gary. So Sound Options is a single source for pretty much any audio brand that somebody might need. We know that folks are buying a whole lot of video and they need to have audio to go with it. So we are bringing to the table all the value that Almo brings along with the brands that they're going to want as well.
And one of the things I talk about on my tour is the research I did for the audio webinar I did last year, where I found that audio products 6 out of 10 times are more profitable than video products, right? 60% of the integrators I talked to had their products were audio products were the most profitable products out there. And I think part of that is that videos had all the glamour and the glitz, so it's easy to pick off and compare to other companies, where audio is more of a science, right?
Oh, I would absolutely agree. And additionally, when you walk into a show floor like this and you can see all of the video product from across the room, it gets a lot of attention. You'd never be able to play back all of the different sound options inside of a space like this, so the visual effects are what's going to get the attention. And audio certainly has a lot to bring to the table, but people don't see it when they walk into the room.
And here at the show floor, you've got a bunch of different brands represented, starting right over here with Beyerdynamic. How long have they been a partner of Almo's?
So Beyerdynamic has been a partner of ours for a while, probably, say maybe a year and a half, 2 years, a partner for ours.
Yeah, and then obviously have wireless mic is primarily what they're known for, and then conference microphone applications. This is obviously popular in sort of government applications and military applications, as well as some companies, but I think certainly the wireless microphone line. And then coming down here, you've got, is this more Beyerdynamic stuff as well? Or?
This is more Beyerdynamic as well. So we have, this is one of their receivers, the TG1000, which is their higher end wireless microphone receiver, and their Quinta, which is this is the receiver, if you will, for the discussion system that we were looking at a moment ago.
Yeah, what I call it conference systems, but discussion systems. And this is their wireless Bluetooth. This is a speakerphone, but also functions as a microphone for like Zoom audio conferences and things like that, right?
Absolutely true. So this has gotten a lot of attention. It is a wireless portable system, so folks can either leave it in the room if they want to, or they can take it with them should they choose to. And it has multiple connection options. There's multiple microphones built in. You can set it to go in either an omni pattern or in a mode where it's going to actually track people's voices as well.
Yeah. So. And then we have MXL. They're a new partner for you, right?
So yes, MXL is a brand new partner for us. This is the first time they're showing at our E4. They probably have the most popular Zoom room microphone, and which is really nice is these are daisy chainable, so you can cover a variety of different size spaces if you want to, both individual microphones and a microphone type pod, if you will.
Okay, and then another new partner for you, fairly new partner, is Phoenix, right?
Yes, so Phoenix Audio we've been working with for a little bit. Absolutely love Phoenix. So there's a number of things that they do very well, in addition to their Condor microphone, which we have over here, which is a multi-microphone array that's designed to cover a nice size space. We also have the Stingray, which is a DSP that is... It's really nice because it's configurable. It does not have... Sorry for moving the image around on you. It's actually very easy to set up, very flexible at the same time. It has USB connectivity, SIP connectivity. You can stack multiple units together, so it's great for conference rooms and training rooms as well. And you can combine them with the Condor microphone if you want to be able to get a pretty much complete solution. Just add some speakers and you're ready to go.
That's basically a mic mixer and a line array at the same time, basically. And it's got DSP obviously built into it.
Correct. So for folks that maybe are not so comfortable with programming a DSP, but want to be able to have the flexibility and the scalability of a DSP that has AEC and a whole bunch of acronyms that we can throw out there, you've got it covered.
And then of course Crown Harman brands overall. You got JBL represented as well, and of course JBL with speakers. I can't imagine any integrator doesn't use some JBL.
I would imagine that most folks do. It's a very popular brand.
You got DBX as well.
Absolutely. The Zone Pro for multi-zone applications works really well. Very popular.
And then outside the booth here, you've got a new partner, Eckler. They've got a stand out here, over here. I know that they're part of Sound Options, right?
They are part of Sound Options. Actually, all of the brands fall under Sound Options as well. So some of them, the brands are getting a little more highlights as well for their unique things that they bring to the table.
There's a new brand, Ashley Tascam. Tascam, of course, has been around for years. I mean, they're TAC, Tascam. That was my first audio products in my house when I was a kid.
For
and
many
then
people
over here, you got more. Is this more Eckler?
This is more Eckler, and actually one of the things that's really fantastic, I'm just going to turn this down a little bit. So these are the eModus 5 PBWHs. These are great little speakers because they have built into them balanced, unbalanced inputs. You have Bluetooth connectivity with Bluetooth priority. We're finding a lot of interest in a number of applications, but particularly in classrooms where folks want to be able to have an all-in-one solution where maybe they just take the audio, they've got HDMI running into a projector, audio out from a projector into here, teacher walks into the room and wants to be able to connect, say, to their phone very easily. They just pair to here, they automatically get the audio, they disconnect, goes back to the other input. Folks love it. It has a Bluetooth app so that you can get some additional control from it as well.
But you don't have to use the app to connect to it.
You don't have to use the app for it at all.
And all that's on Almo's website, or almoproav.com. Of course, we're going to run around and shoot more videos on the show floor here in Southern California, so go to ravepubs.com/E4.